what are the challenges that the agencies are facing? So the first and the foremost challenge which many agencies based out of India in locations like US or Europe or Oceania they face is the cost factor. Now hiring a talent in their own country, in their own region involves a lot of cost. Now these agencies can outsource their task to countries like India wherein equally good talent is available at marginal cost. So the cost benefit analysis which they do, they find a huge benefit to their business in that front. That is one of the main challenges which they face and which they can overcome by outsourcing it to a white labeling partner in a country like India.
I feel that there also I would like to add that when we are also doing the digital marketing servicing, when you're doing SEO, you are not just getting SEO people. You have to have a very good team of content writers. You need editors. You need copywriters to write a certain web page, blog. You need designers to create a landing page. You need web dev guys to make sure that the website is running smoothly. So it's not just if I'm selling SEO services or if I'm doing SEO, it's not just about SEO. It is about a team of people coming together to develop that SEO strategy, because we all know that SEO cannot run on its own. So essentially you have to hire not just an SEO specialist, you need SEO analysts, and along with that a content team, a very good editorial team, a someone who will do the content strategy. Along with that, a social media team, if you're of course including social media in it. You also need, so these are the various kinds of people. You also need operations people to manage the entire operations,
Right.
and look into the quality aspect into every account. So that's a lot of people to actually put together as a team.